This may be the greatest thing Ford has ever done. The Bullitt Mustang. Huge shout out to Matt Moran for building the hype. He made me more excited about this car than Ford did. But seeing it in person with all the little subtle accents and all the little details, this has got to be the most exciting thing here, which includes a Ford GT, Ford Focus RS, GT 350. This car has heritage. It has, to me, a bigger fan base than the GT 350 because it's more affordable, and it just has this, I guess, presence when you're in person and when you know the history of the car and saying Bullitt in the different spots and that, and it's about the subtleties and about the finesse, I guess, and the enthusiast side of things. This is one thing I wish GM would kind of pull their socks up on and really just nail something out of the park as far as an enthusiast package is concerned, like this. So awesome. More to come.